Hey guys, it's me, Miss Luna, and today I am doing more of the Gravity Falls domes. So right after that video I did, I decided to get more, and so I went to Target and I bought like all of them. So I have six to open today, and hopefully I get a full set, because that'd be fantastic. Because I would really like a full set, but you know, it's all good. Okay, this is number 1. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so I got Dipper. I'm really happy because I really wanted Dipper. Oh my god. Yay! That's how you start a video off right. Let's go. Okay, so this is number 2. Oh my god. Now I have Mabel and Dipper. Now I'm really happy. Okay. Yes! Okay. I have Grunkle Stan. So here's what he looks like. Oh my god! Yay! Okay. Number 3. Oh my god, I love these things. Love them! Okay. Who are you? Okay, I got another Grunkle Stan. That's okay. Number 4. Yeah. I'm just like really excited right now. Yes! Okay. I have Seuss. All I need is Bill, and then I'll be set. Okay. So here is number 5. So hopefully I get Bill. I'd really like it to happen, but if I don't, that's okay. I got another Grunkle Stan. Like 3 now. Okay. This is my last one. So, please be Bill. The moment of truth. Right here, you guys. Ah, and I got another Dipper. Awesome. Okay, you guys. So, yeah. Oh my god. That's awesome. It's okay that I didn't get Bill. I'm good with all the other ones. I'm just really, really happy. So, yeah guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and thumbs up this video if you liked it. And you can follow me on Instagram and on fanfiction at Mystic Luna. Same way it's spelled here, guys. So yeah. Bye!